my YouTube channel, it's the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and please don't forget to today I'm going to have the best experience of my life so far in Ghana when it comes to traveling. And you see, this initiative is more about traveling across Ghana to see and experience Ghana. So guys, stay tuned, join me for this experience and see you. We are entering the DODI cruise. So this is the pathway and we are heading towards the DODI cruise. Alright, so at long last we are at the DODI Island.
Okay, cheese. Say cheese.
Yeah, this just like a zoo. I think we have some few animals in here. guys, this is it. You know, it's a very good experience to come to DODI. Really had a good time coming. It's a memory I can never forget. And I hope you guys too will come and experience it in Ghana. This is the beginning of my 2 episodes, which I'm going to talk about later now. This part of the video, which is more about what I'm going to do in my video about travel. Today I'm inside how do we call it?
DODI Bridge.
Captain Bridge
Captain
of
Sky.
the DODI ship. Okay. So
Where video? Where video?
So we have Daddy here, who is the main pilot, and we have Mr. Wow. Mr. George. Okay. Jordan.
Yes, please.
Okay, Mr. Jordan. Okay. So first of all, we would like to know how you navigate the ship and how you're able to know them, because I can't find any Google map or something. So how are you able to know them?
Thank you very much. I'm a lifesaver diver and a coxswain as well. Who assistant Captain Johnston Gariba. 48 years experience in captainship. 48 years experience in captainship.
8 years. That's really good. 48 years. Wow.
Here's where we do the navigation or controlling on the vessel. Here is the captain's bridge.
Wow.
Okay. Currently we are running on 2 main engines. That's the propeller engines. I hope you all know what a propeller is.
Yeah.
Simply like a blade of a standing fan.
Yeah.
The way it was twisted the same way, but it's very heavy and huge. It's rather fixed against the boat, so it pushes the water and that keeps us moving ahead. So with the clockwise turning, it pushes us ahead. With anti-clockwise, it draws us astern. That means we go reverse. In the marine service, we say astern. Okay. So these are the controlling gadgets. From the middle here to this side, it controls the starboard engine, which is the right side engine. And then from the middle here to the other side, control the port, which is the left side engine. Okay.
So this side is like the driver's steer.
Yes, these are the steers. These are the steers.
Wow.
So the car one at the crotch,
Like a
the
head.
brown one that is accelerated, and these are the steers.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, propeller's chair. Okay.
So currently, as I said, we are running on 2 main engines,
Yeah.
but we set one on the neutral, on the 0 to keep it pushing while we use one for maneuvering. So currently, we are using the starboard steer. Yeah, for the maneuvering. Okay. And then we have a monitor. Although we have electrical engineer, mechanical engineers at the stern or the aft. So the mindset stern or aft, that means the back. Monitoring the engine. Like we're the one in the hems, we need to give it the updates. So with this very screen, it gives you the updates of the starboard engine. Likewise, the other side there.
Same thing there, right?
Yes. So now you can see, although we are not in the water or we are not at the back there, but we can know the revolution per minute. That means the rotation per minute. As on the digit, see, this is 1,785. Keep on changing. That means the ref, it turns 1,785 times in a minute. So the more you are, the faster it turns, the faster it pushes you.
Oh.
Secondly, you can see some 80.0 here. I don't know, 78.0. At the top.
78.0.
Yeah. I gas was water tank to avoid overheating. We do run 3 days, 4 days, and I bet without stopping the engine. So always it's very serious. The question is, do we do water tank? Yes. Because we are running our engines. The second question, do you have water tank? No. Why? Because we are running on the water. Instead, we have something called switches. That takes the water from the main lake, round through the engine, and spit it back to the lake continually by so doing cooling the system. So the water that is coming out from the engine back to the lake, that's the temperature of it. Now here is 81.0, 79, 78.0 degrees Celsius. It can even move up to the boiling point, that's 100 degrees, we are still good to go.